Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create network diagrams in Draw.io in 2026. If you want to map out computers, servers, routers, and network connections, this guide will help you build a professional network diagram step by step. First, open Draw.io and create a new blank diagram. You can also choose a network diagram template to save time and get started faster. Next, open the Shapes panel and enable the network category if it's not already visible. This gives you access to network-specific icons and symbols. Now drag devices such as computers, routers, switches, servers, and firewalls onto the canvas. Next, arrange the devices based on your actual network structure. Place core devices in central locations and organize connected devices around them. Now use connector lines to link devices and represent network connections between different components. Next, double-click each device icon and add labels such as device names, IP ranges, or department information. Now adjust the spacing and alignment to keep the diagram neat and easy to understand. If needed, use different colors or styles to separate network segments, departments, or connection types. Next, review the entire diagram and make sure all devices and connections are represented accurately. Finally, save your network diagram and export it as a PDF, PNG, or SVG if you need to share it with your team. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create network diagrams in Draw.io. You can now visualize and document network infrastructure clearly and professionally. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.